here, Manderscheid Media. I'm Ian, and I am followed here with Scott Kukarishin once again back at the Auto Body Technician Program here at Sask Polytech main campus, Saskatoon. Now, if you've been following the channel, we've been at the beginning of stages of this 59 Parisienne convertible a few videos ago. The students have been working feverishly hard to get this car looking like a car again. And Scott's going to walk us through what they've all accomplished. But in first glance, for myself, first time seeing it here, the students have been doing amazing work. So I'm going to let Scott take the reins and explain what we're all looking at.
Thanks, Ian.
Got it. Okay, what are we looking at, Scott?
Well, we're looking at progress, a lot of progress. So what we had here, and of course there's nothing for 59 Pontiac, so we're using all 59 Chev Impala stuff.
Right, yeah.
And in here, and we talked about this in a couple of our videos, where the frame on the Pontiac is different from the frame on the Impala. So on the Chevy, the frame comes straight back. On the Pontiac, it actually wraps around and comes down back through here. So this is 59 Chevy, 59 Chevy, 59 Chevy, and that is 59 Pontiac.
Right.
On the 59 Impala, that's a fender well.
Right, because spare tire.
Sorry, not fender well, spare tire
Spare
wheel well.
tire, yeah.
Got to get that right. So in this case, the spare tire just lays flat.
Yeah.
And there's the spare tire bracket with the hook to put the hook in to put the spare tire in.
Yep.
So this part here is handmade.
Wow.
So
Sweet.
the students made that.
Wow.
We put all with the bead roller,
Yep.
put that in. We squeezed, handmade this because there was nothing left of it.
Okay.
That's original from the original car, that
Awesome.
one
Yep.
bracket.
Yep.
Then that gets welded in. We welded all of this in as per how the 59 piece goes into the 59 Impala. Then this one and all these spot welds underneath, those are the gas tank braces.
Oh yeah, right, yep.
So they help give that a little bit more strength. Then what we did, and if you're wondering what this carpentry stuff that's going on, we put a 2x4 right now across, because when they welded it, it's still weak. There's not much strength to it.
Gotcha.
So what we did is we put a 2x4 with quarter powers to clamp it down, and it's matching to the trunk drop-offs on each end.
Oh yeah, okay, I see it there.
So what we did then is that gave us our datum line as a height gauge, so that we could go to the very front and push up on the floor with jacks from the floor to get it level with as level as they could with this 2x4. And then you can see that one piece that goes to the mid floor. Right. We had to remanufacture that, and I'll show you why in a minute, and it will make sense. It's not going to be totally Pontiac, but it's going to be sealed and it's going to be a trunk floor.
Understood.
So what they're doing now is they're cutting butt all the way along, and they're doing that from the inside, from underneath.
Okay.
So then what we got to do here yet, if you go look back here, Ian, there was on the 59 Impala, your spare tire, or your fuel neck comes from the center of the car, comes down, and this is all humped up.
Gotcha.
And the taillight panel fits into it. That's totally different. If you shine from the back, it's the fuel neck fillers from the side. So there's a big fuel neck filler that goes down and kind of crooked. So that all has to be manufactured yet.
Oh boy.
So if you're wondering why this floor is still crookeder than a dog's hind leg, we're still missing some pieces here.
Right. Okay.
So what we've done, we've cut this taillight panel. We showed it in another video from a four-door.
The parts.
Strato Chief.
The parts car.
The same one that the trunk lid came from. We got that fitting.
Oh yeah.
Fairly nice.
Well, nice gaps. Oh yeah. Really good. Yeah, man, this thing was Swiss cheese before. This is.
It was.
Yeah.
So, and it's spotted in. We still have some brackets to put in.
Oh, cool.
And we got a little bit of work here to make sure that it matches the trunk.
Yeah.
Not only for gaps, but for height.
Yeah.
So this will all get welded in. That's get welded in. So then we're down to 2 pieces left.
Cool.
There's a piece, the original piece from here.
Right.
It goes down.
Yeah.
And there's also another channel that goes across the bottom.
Oh, like a
That's
filler?
going to level this whole floor out.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you need those 2 before you can totally smoke this in and put it in place.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but I mean,
Then we got to make the fuel neck filler fill.
yeah, yeah.
So
That'll be an interesting feat.
I've laid out all the trunk floor here.
Oh yeah, right.
So here's the mid pan.
Oh yeah. So that you're right up on the, yep, behind the seats there. Got it.
Now, right in here, you can see there's a step.
Oh yeah.
There's actually a big brace that comes down and around and bolts to the frame.
Okay.
Whereas on the 59 Chevy, it's just an ankle bracket.
Okay.
So instead of trying to make the 59 floor fit the original and with this step,
Right.
we just made this straight.
Mhm.
So as long as it still fits,
Yeah.
we're going to make that bracket to fit. Which
Oh yeah.
we're manufacturing, but we haven't
Yeah.
fitted fully yet. So maybe you want to go back to the car just to show them that we don't have this step
Right.
in here
Okay.
anymore.
I will. Oh yeah. I'll zoom in so we can see the. Yeah. But I mean, other than that small minor detail, I mean, but that's it's gonna
Yeah.
work just fine.
It gives us more differential room and
Yeah. Cool.
maybe a half a foot less trunk space.
Yeah, because you already got enough trunk here to put 6 people into the drive-in theaters, right?
That's right. don't let the guys from Manitou Beach
Yeah.
drive in. Yes.
Yeah.
So here's the full trunk floor.
Mm-hmm.
So what we had to do, what we got to still do yet, and we started on it, we've made the trunk floor, or sorry, not the trunk floor where the gas filler neck goes through.
Right, yep.
So that has to get sectioned
Into that piece that's in the trunk already.
into the floor, knowing that that is cut out.
Yes, so it's
From
not
here.
it's not just the circle, it's the piece that's cut out of the floor
Yep.
pan, so.
So we have that.
Yeah.
Then we have, this is the channel that goes along the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
You can see where the gas tank braces
Oh yeah. Yep.
Or-
the humps, yeah.
fit for it.
You bet.
The students have already made these channels, and lucky for us, the rest of the channel actually sandblasted up.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna fix this area.
Yeah, the students already have this made, so they're going to section it through there,
Uh-huh.
and same on that side.
Yeah.
And when this goes into the car,
Yeah.
that's going to level out the whole trunk.
Right, yeah, I understand, I got you.
Then the final piece
Oh, goes to there. Gee,
fits like that.
it's a big old jigsaw puzzle.
And well,
Kinda. Yeah.
no, we
Yeah.
gotta fix that.
Right.
So what we're hoping now is that this fits to the taillight panel,
Right.
and this is going to mate into the floor of the 59.
Cool.
And we're gonna, wherever that floor of the 59 curls up,
Yep.
again, we're gonna
This will
cut
be-
and butt and put that in, and hopefully,
Yeah, hopefully. fingers, eyes, and legs crossed.
yep, we're down to bodywork and paint.
Oh, that's wicked. This thing is gonna be just sick when it's done.
And the students have 4 weeks,
For
and they still have all their new cars that they also did collision work on.
Right.
That they got to color match, blend, assemble. So
the pressure is on. But I mean,
pressure is on.
this thing looks a million times better than last time.
what we're hoping for,
Yep. Yeah, that's that filler. Yeah, I got you.
to fit
Yep.
in there,
Uh-huh.
and we're hoping that this floor
Yep.
just is
Fit.
able to
Yep.
cut and butt.
Cut and butt, like it. Well, they're in the right place to learn this, I'm sure. I mean, this is a big job, but
This
it's
one's
not
huge.
Yeah, this one's huge, but again, not impossible. And then I like the handmade panel on the other side. That's pretty trick. That's again, skill set that I do not have, but I just find amazed that you can do anything with a piece of steel, so it seems.
Well, you can cut it, weld it, stretch it, shrink it, and as one guy says, you're only beaten when you throw the piece of metal in the garbage.
That's fair. No,
And
that's
very true.
No, that's awesome. That's good. I'm just gonna do a walk around just so they can see the stripped quarters and stuff, because this thing just looks so much different than really the last time I think we took a video. This was, yeah, so good.
So this is all ready for final body work.
Right, yep.
Cold fill work.
Yep.
The doors are ready to come off.
Yeah.
And they can go and get painted.
Awesome. Well, the floor is totally welded in here now. But
All
yeah.
the final braces are in.
Oh my God, this is a huge project. But I mean, the students, yeah, I mean, they learn something.
Oh, yeah.
That's, you know, as an instructor, I mean, that's what we're looking for. We want students to leave with information, and I think this one here, if they can restore this, I don't think there's nothing they really can't fix.
That's right.
Hey?
I think they got this.
Yeah, I mean, it looks, again, I'm looking at it through mechanic's eyes, but I mean, I've seen the before, and I'm looking at the progress as we've gone. This thing has taken a huge leap to greatness. Awesome.
And it is going black.
Black, oh, we love black. And what's the inside again, colors?
They are going to be silver, white, purple.
Oh man, it's gonna pop with the black.
Original was silver, white, and orange.
Orange, okay. That's a good trade-up. It's a good trade-off. Cool. Well, Scott, like always, thanks for taking us around the projects here. I know with the Impala, we're getting close. We'll get another video coming out on the Impala soon. And yeah, awesome. Thanks again. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, thanks for watching. Take care and bye for now.